Welcome to Bella's Esposo Bridal and Photography.
Thanks. It looks a little different than some of the pictures I've seen.
It is. We actually did some renovations earlier this year as we were closed.
So what's this space over here?
So this is our seating area where the stylists get to know the bride and get to know the visions for the big day.
So as a bride, do I get to pick out my own dress?
You can. However, a stylist will make recommendations based on what the bride is looking for.
So what's upstairs?
Upstairs, we have our Alterations vendor that typically work during the week. However, it's also our VIP exclusive area as well.
Nice. The holiday sale season is coming up. Are you doing anything for Black Friday?
We are. We're actually doing Black Friday all November long.
Ooh, how does that work?
You just make your appointment within the month of November and expect that great offer through your text.
So I don't have to come in on Black Friday itself?
No, you don't. You actually get the offer all November long.
So how can I book an appointment?
You can give us a call at 909-758-0176 or visit us at bellasposowedding.com/appointment. We can't wait to see you soon.